Hey everybody, this is Randy Pierson, Vice President of Life and Annuities for Gordon Marketing, and we are on location at Top Gun 2020, and today we're going to be talking to Steve Zimmerman with North American about their hot new product called Smart Builder IUL. So Steve, Smart Builder IUL just came out a couple weeks ago. Tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, Randy, thanks. It's great to be here. It's an exciting new product that really was built for these times like today. It encompasses strong cash values, liquidity, and the ability to leverage strong living benefits all at the same time with efficient death benefit for the family. Excellent.
So I heard you speak about the product briefly a few nights ago, and you mentioned that it's really applicable to today's market. Mm-hmm. Now, can you explain to the viewers what you might mean by a life product being applicable in today's market?
Sure, great question. I mean, think about it. Right now, what are consumers worried about? They look at the markets. The market was up 1,000 points, down 1,000 points. They're worried about this. I'm worried about my money. I'm worried about living too long for my income. So this is a great product to leverage downside protection, to be in the market on the good days, not in the bad. It's also a place where you can have accelerated death benefit for critical illness, chronic illness, things like that. And it's a great way to pass money very efficiently to the kids.
So you mentioned a little bit about this living benefits, and once again, when I heard you speak previously about the product, you kind of said not just chronic or critical illness, but this product is very applicable with living benefits in a multifaceted format. So what did you mean by that?
Sure, well, I guess if you think about it, there's three legs on the stool. Number one, the clients that we interact with a lot are concerned about outliving their money. Absolutely. So right now it's a way to deposit some of maybe your liquid cash, your never money, your legacy dollars in a place where it'll be sheltered from current taxation. It's a way to grow and accumulate without downside risk of the market. That's one thing. The second thing is we've got an ability to leverage your death benefit tax-free for long-term care, chronic illness, but critical illness too, cancer, stroke, heart attack, those devastating expenses. And then lastly, if you don't need those dollars, it's an efficient way to move the money to the next generation, no income tax, free of probate.
Absolutely. It is life insurance, right? It is life insurance. And I think it's also important to remember that this is an IUL product, right? I mean, so as you alluded to, we have the upside opportunity within the market with no downside risk.
Right.
All right. So, but you also mentioned liquidity, and I think that's one of the most intriguing features about the Smart Builder. So talk to us in a bit about the liquidity and how that's accomplished.
Okay, sure, great question, because people typically love part of the benefits of life insurance, but they don't love that surrender period where it costs money to get, costs a charge to get their money out. We have a very unique waiver of surrender charge option, where if you elect that rider, you can literally have 100% liquidity in day one.
Wow.
Day one of the policy, surrender value and cash value are identical.
So the client and the agent at time of application can choose to either apply or not apply a complete and full waiver of surrender charges.
Right. So correct. So if you think about whether it's your CD money you want to leverage but you want access to it, it could be a business sale where you want to see dollars on the balance sheet, or maybe even just a policy review and replacement where the client doesn't want to start a new surrender period.
Yeah.
Great way to keep your money liquid.
As you're discussing the product, certainly one of the things that I'm thinking is a fantastic market for this is for our annuity advisors out there who are marketing and selling annuities, but obviously one of the biggest objections with annuities is that potentially large and long surrender period. With this product, we once again can get the upside of the market and have complete and utter liquidity.
Right. That's a really great point. We're seeing significant results in interest and traction with annuity producers. It's a great companion sale because it delivers many of the features and benefits that annuities also have, but there's some additional things that it adds in addition to what the annuity provides. So if you're an annuity producer out there, this is really something you ought to take a look at.
Well, and those annuity producers that are watching this video, I'm sure are thinking, yeah, well, that's all well and good, but it is life insurance. Right. And so those applicants have to be underwritten.
Correct.
Talk to us a little bit about the underwriting process and how North American maybe has made that a little easier or less concerning?
Yeah, we're very aware that the typical producer these days doesn't love the process of paperwork and weeks for underwriting. We have a non-fluid accelerated underwriting where about half of our cases are being issued without an exam in fluids. They're being issued and out the door in about 6 days.
Wow.
And that's
6
about
days.
half of our cases right now.
So you could literally have one of these cases from submission to commission in 2 or 3 weeks?
That's it.
Wow.
Policy issued in about a week, and then it's the amount of time it takes to get the money in to pay for it.
Wow, that's fantastic. So I'd like to think, I'm certainly confident that we've piqued some advisors' attention out there about the Smart Builder IUL. Are there some deliverables, some marketing material we can put in their hands?
Yeah, there really is. We've tried to make an effort to provide even more tools for the advisor that are client approved to help you sell and tell the story. So we have a great marketing site that's updated and refreshed, new advisor tools, plus a ton of new client materials. We can make that available and available through Gordon Marketing.
Very good. So what I would suggest is if you're watching this video and you'd like some of those marketing material, simply make comments under this video. I'll keep a lookout for that information or those requests, and we'll send that information out to you. But listen, Steve, once again, we're coming to you from our Top Gun 2020 meeting, which is exciting. It's fantastic. Tomorrow is our Life and Annuity Expo. North American has been one of our core partners and sponsors of this event for a decade, and I want to express my appreciation for that. For those out there, once again, thank you for watching this episode of Selling Life and Annuities. Stay tuned every Tuesday, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.